Okay, so first things first is when you have a shower and a toilet set up like I do right here, you want to take care of this before you take care of that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and take care of all of this first. And what I mean by this is I mean picking up everything that doesn't belong here, putting it back in its home or the trash or the laundry basket, and then move on to cleaning. Okay, so now that I've cleared everything from this section, I'm gonna take care of taking everything out of here that doesn't belong, aka the toys, the stuff, anything that might be broken, just get it all out of there. Okay, everything's clean. I am gonna go in with this Clorox Bathroom Ultra Foamer Remover. This is the first time I'm using this, so I don't have much to say about it, except we're gonna try it out. It is aerosol free, which is important. So it gives you some instructions here, so let's see how it goes. So the sink is the hardest part, right? Because it ends up being a catch-all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of everything from left to right, and then I'm not cleaning anything. I'm just moving things back to their home and removing them. And then I'll take care of the cleaning, and I clean from top to bottom so that the dust and everything comes down. So I'll show you guys how. Okay, so the thing about toilets is a little tricky, especially if you have kids, especially if you have boy kids. So you can clean the seat like normal, or you can actually remove the seat, okay? And I know this one's not something everyone is a fan of, but I'm gonna show you in just a little bit. Okay, so this part's important. You wanna make sure you let the cleaner sit in the bowl while you're cleaning the rest. And I clean from top to bottom, and I use wipes, and it's just so much easier. Now by the time I'm done with the bowl, I just let